What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Brother's doing good, you feel me? So my birthday just passed a week ago, and money's been kind of tight, but I wanted to get myself something. So I saw a post on the Facebook group for the Wagon. This guy posted a video of his hatch just lifting up just from him pulling the lever, and I've seen multiple wagons do that, and I've replaced the shocks in this thing when I got the car because they didn't hold up the hatch anymore, just like they're not holding up the hatch right now. And I said, you know what, that's a pretty cool, cheap modification that I could do that will increase the quality of life and the experience in the wagon. So the guy posted the part numbers. I never ordered off of Rock Auto before, but they delivered these pretty quick, about 5 days, 6 days or something. And yeah, I want to go ahead and show you guys how to install these. It's kind of weird that they're holding up the hatch right now, but I'm going to replace these anyway because I want to see if I can have a cool lever popping trunk hatch, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your hatch struts on the Civic Wagon. Mine are holding up the hatch right now, but any like little gust of wind, this thing will just be coming back down on the back of my head. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to install these things. Interesting. I really don't remember how to do this, so I'm gonna be learning as I go along. I know this is like a 12 or something. Here's the part number on the ones I got right now, and I replaced these probably about 10 years ago. Oh, you know what? I think there's gonna be like little. That's right. That's how you do it. So there's gonna be two 10s, and then I think these are 12s. Right? I mean, these look different. Alright, so these are part number 3B-235933. Probably just 235933 if you're looking it up. But let's prove that these actually fit before we go recommending these to anybody. Just right off the bat, you can tell that these things are way different. Oh, I guess this part's down here. They're definitely longer. So I'm gonna figure out how to put these together, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. Really weird how. All right. Little ball joints in here first. So we'll get these screwed on here first, and we'll see if putting it up on the other bolt hole here gets rid of this rubbing against the frame here problem. Pop on this side just like that, and then this side just like that, and And we're still rubbing. Take this off. What the hell is this? Oh, zip tie. So we're still rubbing, but we can see if this shuts first. It's not gonna shut if I have it on that side. So that's not a thing. We're gonna have to put this over here now. Whoops. All right, so we got it swapped over to the other side, and as long as I got my head holding this thing up, you can just kind of get those threads started finger tight, and then I can finish them with the wrench. So again, put these parts in first, and now that we've proven that the other side doesn't work, you don't have to even bother trying that out, because we just figured out that doesn't let the hatch shut, and we don't know if this will let the hatch shut either, but we're gonna find out. And probably just about like 20 foot-pounds. Now for the moment of truth. All right, moment of truth. That's so dope. That's so dope. A little scary though. How fast that thing just shoots up. Oh, that's clean though. Very much up for debate if that's the right part number. I mean, things bolt in properly. I don't even like how fast that pops up, to be honest. That's like dangerous. Well, I think we can say that we did what we wanted to do here today. I don't really vouch for this in terms of being correct part for this car, but you know, you can do it at your own risk. I know I did. Yeah, I'd much rather have something with these brackets here that are just because, like, I'm worried that this could break off or something. You know, we're seeing how fast it shoots up, and I'm just concerned that this will like shoot up, break off because it's just plastic in there or something, and just go straight through that piece of glass and ruin my day sometime in the future. But that's how you install these shocks. Obviously, if you had the OEM style ones, it'd probably be a little different. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. If you want your wagon to pop open like that, or any car, you know, try and search around and see if someone else figured it out. I was really upset. I'm not gonna lie. I was really disappointed in this at the beginning, but the proof is in the pudding, baby. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Probably gonna be trying to button up this car. I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I just kind of been in a really depressed slump here. You know, having a little pity party. Probably drinking too much again, and I needed to just quit. But that's life for you. So yeah, I'll probably try to get back to work on this wagon here. This definitely is going to motivate me to get back to it just a little bit. Like, not a lot, but just a little bit. Gotta tighten this down too. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Here.